Our Trulux app is an easy way to control your tape light from the convenience of your tablet or smartphone. Available on Google Play and the App Store, you can control brightness, colors, and even sync your RGB color changes to music. At this point, you should have your tape light, driver, and Wi-Fi receiver completely set up. We are using RGB plus warm white in a single zone for this demonstration. Install the Trulux application on your tablet or smartphone. Then open your Wi-Fi settings and select the Easy Lighting signal. This is the signal your Wi-Fi receiver is transmitting. When asked for the password, enter numbers 0 through 9. Now open the Trulux app and select a room. Press the Room button at the bottom to hide the Room Select screen. We will discuss rooms in more detail later. Press the Learn button on your receiver and move a setting on your device until you see your tape light respond. Your device is now synced. Our Trulux app is filled with numerous options to customize your tape light according to your preferences. There are 3 control wheels, one for RGB and RGB plus white, one for single color Trulux, and one for tunable CCT. We recommend that you use only the appropriate wheel for your tape light. Triple tap the screen at any time to see all 3 wheels. Let's select the RGB wheel. Choose a color by rotating the wheel. Now let's adjust the brightness by pressing the top right button and moving the slider. The bottom left button lets you create colors using RGB sliders. Move the sliders back and forth to activate. Having the sliders all the way to the right creates a white RGB mix, while all the way to the left turns off the RGB diodes. The W button on the bottom right of the wheel lets you control the white LEDs of your RGB plus warm white Trulux. Turn it all the way down to turn these diodes off. The top left button allows you to operate the color changing feature. You can control how rapidly you'd like the transitions to occur. In addition, one of the coolest features in this app lets you sync color changes up to music. It can track music played directly from your smart device or use the microphone to listen to music in the room. Move the slider to control the sensitivity of the tape light reaction to the music. If you wish to set and control multiple zones, you will need the Trulux Wi-Fi Hub. This can be used alone or plugged into your home Wi-Fi router. When plugged into your home Wi-Fi router with included Ethernet cable, your smart device can stay connected to the internet. If you use the Wi-Fi Hub alone, you must disconnect the device from your home Wi-Fi network in order to connect to the hub. To use the Wi-Fi Hub on its own, first plug it into a wall outlet. Once it powers up, go to the Wi-Fi settings of your device and select the Wi-Fi Hub signal. The signal name and password can be found at the bottom of the hub. After connecting to the Wi-Fi Hub, open your Trulux app. Select the room you wish to associate with Zone 1. We will set it to Bedroom. Hit the Room button at the bottom of the screen to close the menu out. Next, press the Learn button on the first receiver and move the color wheel. This is now synced to the bedroom zone. Head back to the room selection screen and tap Bedroom to uncheck it. Let's set our kitchen to our second receiver by tapping that thumbnail and then hitting the Room button again to close out the menu. Press the Learning key on the second receiver and move the color wheel on your device to set this zone. You can control both rooms at the same time by selecting both in the room menu or individually by having one of the rooms selected. You can also turn off the room's light by pressing and holding the corresponding thumbnail. Let's pretend you wish to have the Wi-Fi hub connected to your router so that you stay connected to the internet on your device. Take the power cord of the Wi-Fi hub and plug it in. Now, take the included Ethernet cable and connect it to the Wi-Fi hub and one of the open slots on your router. Go to your Wi-Fi settings on your device and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. From here, you can follow the same steps as before, setting each room to a different receiver. You can save up to 8 custom settings that can be recalled at any time, affecting any and all selected rooms. Set your Trulux Tape Light to the desired settings. Press the Save button, then press and hold the slot you wish to save it to. You can change the password to your Wi-Fi receiver or hub by clicking the Setting button on the bottom of the screen, then clicking Wi-Fi Setting. Just type in your new 8-character password, click OK, and then the change will be saved. If you wish to change your SSID, you can do so at this time as well. You can edit the room thumbnails by going to Settings and tapping the Edit Room Info button. Click Edit at the top left of your screen. You can now change the name of the room. Take your own photo of the room and deactivate any of the color wheels that don't apply to the tape light in the room. Learn more at AmericanLighting.com.